What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix the error which says your device is missing important security and quality fixes on Windows 10. We will tell you the method that how you have to fix this problem, but I like to mention one more thing in here. If these method will not help you to fix your problem, then you can check out the advanced method as well. The link of the video is given in the description. Check out that link and watch the advanced method. Without further ado, let's talk about the method you have to use to fix your problem. Method 1. Restore point. Here you have to restore your Windows 10 to the back date when your Windows was working perfectly fine. For to do that, type in here RestoreHealth. You'll see restore point command. Click on open. Click on next. Here you have to select restore point and make sure you check the box here, show more restore point. I do not have restore points in here because I was not doing update and all that thing. So you'll see that option to show more restore point. After selecting that, you can select your restore point when your Windows was working perfectly fine. Afterwards, make sure you select this option as well as scan for affected programs. Once you'll do that, it's gonna start scanning for affected program and drivers and show you the information in here. Let me click on cancel for now. As you can see, program and driver that will be deleted gonna list in here. Program and driver that might be restored gonna list in here. Make sure you run this scan affected program and afterward you can ensure that what are the changes gonna made on your Windows 10 PC. Method 2. Troubleshooter. Here you have to troubleshoot certain thing. Click on start, click on settings. Here scroll it down, click on update and security. Click on troubleshoot on the left hand side, scroll it down, click on additional troubleshooter. Here you have to find an information with the name of Windows Update. You might see different thing in here as I haven't updated my Windows, so possibly I'm not seeing different options in here for now. Click on Windows Update, run the troubleshooter. It will start detecting the problem and it will run some stopped services, but before it will check the services are running or those services are stopped. After doing so, you'll see pending system changes that require a reboot. You'll get a different option in here, so you have to select the option as per your requirement. As my Windows is not updated, that's why I'm getting this thing in here. Method 3. Update assistance. Here you can open any browser you have like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, any browser. Do a right click, click on open. In the search, you have to type download Windows 10. You'll be on this page, download Windows 10 disk image ISO file, Microsoft. Make sure you're seeing the same website in here. Once you'll have this, click on it. Here you have to scroll it down and click on this update now. As you can see the information, the update assistance can help you update to the latest version of Windows 10. Click on update now and download it and run this Windows assistance. Method 4. SFC and DISM scans. I would like to tell you here, SFC scan stands for System File Checker and DISM stand for Deployment, Image, Servicing and Management. So you have to run these commands on your PC. For to run these commands, click here and type CMD and then you'll see this option run as administrator. Click on it. Here click yes. In this command prompt you have to type the command. There are the 3 commands: to CheckHealth, to ScanHealth and to RestoreHealth. After running all of these 3 commands, you have to run the SFC scan. which is known as System File Checker. Simply run that command, all of the 4 commands in your command prompt, and after running these commands, make sure you restart your PC. After restart, I'm pretty sure your problem will get resolved. If not, then as I explained in the beginning of the video, there are the advanced method as well. You can check the link given in the description. Watch the advanced method to fix your problem. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.